ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rajaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kipulit juga East Khasi Hills District lakin det threat ke jing yawan over Edelbert Nangrum hakmat sekretariat benyaki halo ke jing pendam ke Sarkar Jela halo ke luka yukta. Masinyo ini kalian kipulit marmar USP lawan mi benkeren yau MLA ke North Shillong dah ke penpau bagi board penyak district Kim Shak Satya benyaki hakmat sekretariat bak kelapen kreru dah ke bos benkit yau MLA ke North Shillong Shamadan Malki. Nak kalian over Edelbert dah ke jing alang ulong budan kam banyak kenduk syua bagi para nong yalam ke bela apa hakmat DC office.
Additional secretary will not create any law problem.
No, sir, because we have not been allowed.
Don't just claim only for your own position. Give for the
I am
position
not
of the state.
I am
Where
not
is the
taking
position of the
position,
state?
sir.
Where is the
For my
position of the
duty.
state?
I am simply
You
doing
are
my
totally
duty.
blind at them.
I am, sir. I
Just
am
because of
simply
the
doing
position.
my duty. We all here doing our duty, and our duty is that we cannot allow you to violate the order of the district magistrate. Simply, sir. So this is your last warning. If you don't do, then I'm asking the police to take you into the bus, sir. All of you. This is the last warning I'm giving for light fee. Otherwise, I'm asking the police to take you to the bus and take you to the bus. Sir, yes, sir. Mr. Sir, sir. So we know your position very well. With due respect also, sir, we politely ask you to come get into a vehicle. We'll drop you up a Malki playground which has been identified by the district magistrate for you to do your demonstration, sir.
Violation about the Lokayukta Act. No one concerned about that.
I am not authorized to even talk about it, sir. My duty is only to talk about the orders of 144 CRPC, which you're violating right now, sir. I'm asking you very politely, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir, we will take you in our vehicle, sir. With due respect, I'm telling you, sir, because we've been asked, you've been demonstrating here since 10 a.m. and it's already in Tala.
10 a.m.
Yes, sir. But I will have to ask them to take it. Please, sir.
Create a big message na the government, strong message of government. So tu itu kamera mereka. Maki tiba dan boleh kata timong di dapat all of sudden even di ombak sidong unqualified di number kalau nak kena kalau kita nak sama boleh dia serius.
But I have even me I have to comply to order of the magistrate, sir. I'm so sorry. You have to come again.
Madam, the ball lies in your hand.
That's why I'm requesting you, sir. Please come. We don't want to use force. You are a very good. You are a leader. I know you are a leader, sir. Your issue is good, but not this way, sir.
In fact, we don't want to continue with this educational program, but because of situation force. The whole life. Just have patience. Problem. The government is a problem. You all follow your thinking only and concern only for one question. That is very sad. One day you will be in the power. You know that? You know that? One day you will be in power. You want it for the cause. For your children's cause. For state cause. Sama kita nak naik nak itu dapat ya. Naik kereta sistem. Pakai wakar.
No, please, sir. Please, akan pakai wakar ni jadi. Please, sir. Please. Please. Ini aja please, sir. Please, come. Come, ya, then bahasa Ali come.